the 2025 Corvette C8 ZR1, a true powerhouse that sets a new standard for American supercars. With a jaw-dropping 1,064 horsepower from its mid-mounted twin-turbo V8, the ZR1 is the most powerful factory Corvette ever made. Chevrolet boasts that it represents the highest output ever achieved by a factory Corvette and the most potent V8 engine produced in America. This beast leaves its predecessors in the dust, surpassing the previous Corvette C7 ZR1's 755 horsepower and even outpacing the 1,025 horsepower Dodge Challenger Demon SRT 170. But the ZR1 isn't just about raw power. It's engineered for performance with a sophisticated adaptive suspension, massive brakes, and over 1,200 pounds of downforce from its advanced aerodynamic package. Stylistically, the ZR1 pays homage to Corvette's legacy with a carbon fiber tribute to the iconic 1963 split window design. But remember, this feature is exclusive to the coupe version. The convertible opts out of this classic detail. Built on the C8 chassis but featuring a host of new components, the 2025 ZR1 introduces a new twin-turbo V8 engine designated as the LT7. This 5.5-liter powerhouse isn't just a tweaked LT6, it boasts a redesigned intake system, a secondary port fuel injection system, and unique pistons and rods. It's all backed by new engine control software and a fortified transmission. The ZR1 comes with options like carbon ceramic brake rotors, 15.7 inches up front, the largest ever on a Corvette, along with 5 new wheel designs, including carbon fiber. Fresh color options like competition yellow, hysteria purple, and sebring orange, as well as various body stripes and caliper colors, let you personalize your ZR1 to your taste. Inside, the ZR1 sticks to the familiar C8 layout, but with distinctive touches. You'll find a squared-off steering wheel, a 12-inch reconfigurable gauge display with a new turbo boost gauge, and unique interior badges. The 3LZ trim adds a striking geometric stitch pattern on the doors, plus new blue stitching and an optional habanero interior scheme. An adaptive suspension is standard, while the ZTK Performance package takes things up a notch with carbon fiber aero components, Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires, and an aggressive rear wing. The ZR1's aerodynamic enhancements, like the flow-through hood and carbon fiber cooling ducts, ensure it can handle its immense power while maintaining exceptional handling. Expected to hit the production line in 2025, the 2025 Corvette ZR1 starts around $180,000 and can go up to $205,000 with various trims and options. If you're after track-ready performance, the ZTK Performance package is the way to go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all things automotive. Thanks for watching.